The rumored Samsung Galaxy S25 to be unveiled in January 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the comment section. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Full Specs. The new Samsung S25 Ultra is the best mobile device for entertainment. This phone has a large 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels, double the previous generation. To protect this display, Samsung used a Corning Gorilla Glass 7 layer. Even though it's quite durable, customers might wonder if it's still able to survive drops, dust, and water. Capture the world in stunning clarity with the S25 Ultra's Penta 200MP primary camera. The 64MP selfie camera ensures your self-portraits are just as impressive. This camera setup is a photographer's dream, offering unparalleled detail and quality. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a non-removable 8100 mAh lithium-ion battery. It's a large, high-performance battery that doesn't need to be charged for long. The phone also supports Qualcomm quick charging, which will charge it quickly at up to 45 watts. Samsung releasing a new S25 Ultra smartphone that will be available in 2 RAM capacities, 12/16 of a gigabyte, and 2 storage sizes, 256GB/512 GB. The phone will have the ability to contain an extra terabyte of storage space if you add a micro SD card. Running on Android 14, the S25 Ultra delivers a smooth, intuitive user experience. Its interface is user-friendly, making it easy for everyone to navigate and enjoy its full range of features. The heart of the S25 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This powerhouse ensures smooth, efficient performance, whether you're gaming or multitasking. It's a great device for multitasking and browsing the internet without any problems. This powerful device is so smooth that it can handle everything you need, even if you're using multiple apps at once. With this device, the world is at your fingertips. Use it however you want. New features in the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra phone include an accelerometer, proximity, gyro, compass, barometer, ANT+, Bixby natural language commands and dictation, Samsung DeX, desktop experience support, and many more. The fingerprint and face recognition security systems ensure only you have access to your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.